Welcome to Morrisville, North Carolina, a sidewalk-lined streets colonial Victorian-style home neighborhood that feels like a step back in time while still being minutes from everything the Triangle has to offer. The community itself comes with a pool, clubhouse, and playground, the kind of amenities that make you want to get out and be active in any neighborhood, along with the sidewalks for families relocating. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and has just been leased for 2601 a month. So let's take a look inside. So right off the entry, you've got a spacious living room that flows into a sunroom, a great flex space for morning coffee, a reading nook, or just extra natural light most families and homes this size don't have. The kitchen is open to the main living space, making it easy to entertain or just keep an eye on things while you cook. And this is the standout feature, a dedicated media theater room with a projector hookup already in place. This isn't a converted bonus room, it's built for it. So upstairs, the primary suite offers real separation from the secondary bedrooms with an en-suite bath. There are 3 additional bedrooms that give this home real flexibility for a home office, guest room, nursery, whatever your household and family needs are. You can use it, however you want. So at just under 2,700 square feet, this home strikes balance, spacious enough for a growing family without feeling like more house than you need. So Morrisville is one of the most convenient spots in the Triangle. You're minutes from RDU Airport, and you have quick access to I-540, I-40, and it's a top pick for people relocating for work at the Research Triangle Park, and this neighborhood specifically offers that classic walkable feel without sacrificing the commute. So this particular home has already been leased, of course, but if this style, layout, and neighborhood is what you're looking for, just text the word to the number in the description, text the word home, and I'll send you similar homes right away. Thank you for viewing, and as always, drop a comment if you have any questions. My information is in the description. You can contact me by texting the number. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you. Have a great day. Again, thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of the tour.